crowd.
Round of applause, everybody.
Alicia, I request you to please be here with us.
Please.
Thank you. Alicia is in slight rush because she has to leave, so we're going to give her the mic, hand over the mic to her, and ask her how does she plan to take the girl from the kitchen to the ramp, and how she plans to train these lovely 31 ladies at Mrs. Bharat Icon 2017.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू मिस्टर अखिल जी कि आपने हमको इस चीज़ का हिस्सा बनाया. थैंक यू ऑल द मीडिया फॉर मेकिंग योर प्रेजेंस फेल्ट. विदाउट यू गाइज दिस वुड नॉट बी पॉसिबल. अर्चना जी, thank you very much. I have been on the other side, though I'm going to be soon on the other side again. I know how it feels to be Mrs. and still not fulfill certain of your dreams, and to give this opportunity is really great because somewhere down the line you feel कि जो इच्छा अधूरी रह गई वो पूरी हो जाएगी. And giving them hope is something will give me joy, and everybody who's connected, give them more joy. So thank you very much.
That's a wonderful, wonderful thought.
Thank you. It's truly a pleasure to have you with us at Mrs. Bharat Icon. I
Thanks.
request you to take your seat, and I'm going to call you once again back again. Ladies and gentlemen, the designer who's very, very well renowned all across the globe. Every girl dreams to be in her designer outfits, and it's truly an honor to have the angel here with us. Yes, she's absolutely stunning and pretty. We are with us, Miss Archana Kochar. You look absolutely lovely and stunning in white. And Archana, all across the world, you've been to New York Fashion Week, Paris Fashion Week, all across the world. You've not just trained these married women, women who don't have experience, but also of course, the professional models. So how do you think you're going to make these inexperienced women actually look beautiful and gorgeous like the supermodels?
First of all, a good afternoon to everyone here. Thank you, Mr. Akhil, for putting this whole thing together, and thank you, dear media, for being here. So it's going to be a pleasure to make these women fulfill their dreams. I think every girl likes appreciation. She likes, just because she's married doesn't mean that she can't be the princess, she can't be appreciated, she can't be on the ramp, she can't fulfill her dreams. So I think it's going to be so beautiful doing that for them. And the girls and the participants who are already with us are women of confidence, women of substance themselves. So they already look lovely. They have a lot of confidence in themselves, and enhancing it is going to be an absolute pleasure for us.
So beautiful. Thank you
Lovely.
so much.
Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you, and I request you to be here with
Please.
us. Archana, please, can I request you to be here with us? Alicia, can I also request you to be here with us? Thank you very much. Everyone knows this gentleman, the very, very known social worker. जोरदार तालियां हम बजाएंगे मिस्टर अनिल मुरारका जी के लिए. सर आप प्लीज यहाँ पर आएंगे.
Dr. Anil Murarka, please.
Dr. Anil Murarka. And Sir Akhil Bansal, sir, can I request you to be here also with us? Thank you so much. This is just for the press to be very happy with the entire crew. I saw her. She's just next on the list. You call her?
Yeah.
Shibani Kashyap, ladies and gentlemen, please let us welcome Sajna Avija, the
Yes,
beautiful
please, wonderful. Please
backdoor
come join.
boys, the very sensational Shibani Kashyap. Only Delna is the only one. So, ladies and gentlemen, to help the contestants get that perfect body, we have with us the very renowned nutritionist, Delna Pooniwala. A wholehearty pleasure. Thank you so much for being here with us. I'll very quickly hand over the mic to Anil ji first.
First and foremost, my friends, a very warm good afternoon to you all. काफी ठंडा हॉल otherwise. This gentleman standing next to me, trust me, सबसे ज़्यादा अगर कोई तकलीफ उठा रहा है इस शो के लिए वो है अखिल जी. And the way he's taken it forward, and I'm looking forward in the years to come, it will reach further more. I don't know, मतलब trust me, probably in the Indian continent ऐसा कोई शो आगे होने वाला नहीं जो आज ये उठा के मुहिम लेके चल रहे हैं. Coming back to reality, what we talked about, the women of substance, you know, मैं ये मानता हूँ हर लड़की में, हर एक औरत में कुछ ना कुछ एक जज्बा है कुछ कर गुजरने का. उनको आप और मैं क्या ग्रूम करेंगे, वो खुद ग्रूम्ड हैं. It's just that, see, let's be honest, you know, don't take me wrong, you ladies out there. Shibani is a great singer, she's a great model, she's a great, you know, no words to express what all she's all about. A multitasker. अब आप हो तो उनको अगर बोलो कि ग्रूम करना है उनको लिए भी किसी को, कौन ग्रूम करेगा उनको. So it's like every lady there is something or the other, and they have got miles to go. तो आज ऐसा एक प्लेटफॉर्म जब अखिल जी ने क्रिएट किया है, it will take them to those levels जो उन्होंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा. Thank you so much, my friends.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, friends from the media. आप लोगों का इतना प्यार मिला हमें last year at Bharat Icon Awards, and this is something very spectacular. As Anil ji said, yes, he's put his heart and soul. और उन्हें यही चाहिए था कि पैनल पे हमें जो क्रू है वो सबसे बेस्ट होना चाहिए इंडस्ट्री के. And that is the reason जब contestants हमें फ़ोन करते थे, same day, that's the 4th of June, we had the entire, all the cities, in fact, or more than 21 cities, we had auditions on the same day. और सभी लोग कहते थे, wow, we have Alicia Raut, wow, we have Archana Koch, we're going to be in that designer wear. We want to go and try out for this pageant. And that's how we're going to unveil the 31 finalists from all across the country. It's truly an honor. Hearty congratulations to you, sir, Mr. Akhil Bansal. And now, Shivani, can we please have a word from you?
You must.
Absolutely. Thank you. It's such an honor to be here, and I think everyone's done their meaningful words of wisdom. I think I'll just sing a little song which is dedicated to women, and not the songs that you've heard before of mine, but this is a song called I'm a Woman, I'm a Girl, This is My Story. सदियों से लिखती आई खूबसूरत कहानी, आँखों में भरे कई सपनों के रंग आसमानी. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. Excitement भरा मेरा आज है, सर पे खुशियों का ताज है, जब चाहे चले मर्जी मेरी, दुनिया को मुझ पे नाज है. I reach for the stars, I die for the pearls, nothing is impossible for us girls. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. I'm a woman, I'm a girl, this is my story. Thank you.
Amazing, amazing, Shivani.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, so we're going to have all the girls creating history for themselves and really making a story, and the entire credit. Rashmi Bedi. Can we please have Miss Rashmi Bedi, who's here all the way from States, from USA? Rashmi, can we please have you here? Mrs.
Oh
Rashmi.
wow, that's Mrs. USA right amongst us. Wonderful to have you
Ladies and
here.
gentlemen, wonderful. Absolutely an honor to have Mrs. USA along with us.
Mrs. India, New Jersey.
Mrs. India, New Jersey. Oh, we love New Jersey. New Jersey rocks. Indians rock in New Jersey. Wow. It's absolutely awesome. Can we please have you here? Wow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the show
The
director.
mover shaker is here.
The very, very gorgeous and stunning Shubh Malhotra ji. Wholehearty welcome to you, ma'am. No, it's okay. Absolutely,
Nonetheless,
we
it's
understand.
great to have you here.
We were waiting for you, and yeah, for quite a bit. A humble request to Akhil Bansal sir and Anil Murarka ji to come in the center for the photo of the press. Will be happy. So before sir, in between Archana and Alicia, in between Alicia and Archana. We would want sir between Alicia and Archana. Yeah, or Shivani is also good. Both of them. It's just for the press. I want him to be in the center before I hand over the mic to him. Should please come.
I don't want this. You guys will take picture this also?
This will be
Ladies
Photoshop.
and
Don't
gentlemen,
worry.
Photoshop.
we now request the chairman and managing director of Royal Heritage Group, who's presenting Mrs. Bharat Icon 2017. But before that, Shubh is here, so we'll give her the mic. Shubh, such a pleasure having you here, and you are dot on time. It's time for you to speak a few words to everyone, please.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And my apologies for being late. Generally, he knows that I'm always on time, but due to my,
सारे स्टार ऐसे ही बोलते हैं.
as you can see, my condition, I'm getting better each day. But anyway, thank you very much for being here. And this Bharat icon is the icon and the most prestigious show of the year. And we have all the eminent dignitaries here with me. I'm very, very proud to say that I'm really blessed to have such a wonderful team to take this forward along with me. And I would definitely want all of you to also be with us and take this forward as every year. This is something that we are going to do every year. And this is the show called From the Kitchen to the Ramp. And we will be, with all the glitz, glamour, fashion. Archana Kochar is here with us. And Alicia, where's Delna? Hi, all of you. So this is the wonderful team, and it's my honor, my pleasure to welcome all of them. And thank you for all your support. Sabse. You say na last but not the least. And I'm really grateful to Akhilji for taking this, my dream. This is the dream, helping me take it forward. And I'm really thankful and grateful to him. Thank you so much. Thank you, Akhilji. Thank you, Mr. Muraka. One phone call and he's always here. The philanthropist is Langdi ko. They are all here to help me, Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your kind words. Hardik, you want to say something?
Yes.
I'll wait for you.
I wanted to actually hear Akhilji's few words and thoughts on how he's making all this happen.
We'll do that, Hardik, but before that we have...
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to have you here, Mrs. India, New Jersey.
She is not only Mrs. India, New Jersey, but she is a very, very dear friend also. And it's really an honor that she specially came for this for me.
Wow.
So this is called support. Here are the pillars. Thank you so much. And I'm really honored.
It's an honor for
Thank
me,
you.
actually.
That's so nice. Before I hand over the mic to you, sir is pretty shy, so I always have to drag him because I've worked a lot with him. So, Akhil Bansal ji, आपसे हाथ जोड़कर विनती, आप please center में आ जाइए ना sir. आप star हैं sir, please. आप इतना मत शर्माइए sir. Thank you so much. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. मेहरबानी sir. Thank you. Hi. Please, a few words from you.
Hi everyone, it's really an honor to be here, and thank you Akhil